Now, do you see some thread-like things around my head? Now, these thread-like things are my hair. The meaning of this word will be fine thread-like strands. Now, these things are called strands. Growing on a person's head. किसी भी person के head पे जो thread-like strands आते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Hair. Now, for an example, I have long hair. Some of you must have hair longer than me. So I can just say I have long hair. The next part of the body is leg. L-E-G. Now what does this mean? Each of the limbs on which a person or an animal walks. हमारी बॉडी का एक ऐसा पार्ट जिसके थ्रू हम वॉक करते हैं या खड़े होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहेंगे? The legs. अब एग्जाम्पल, humans walk, run, jog with their legs. The next part of the body is lip. L-I-P. Now what does this mean? Two fleshy folds that surround the mouth is the lips. Or in simple terms मैं बताऊं तो the entrance of the mouth is enclosed by lips. Now this is my mouth inside my lips. So what do you see here is the lips. Two fleshy folds. Fleshy मतलब मांस होता है जिसमें. Fleshy folds. Now these are two folds that surround the mouth is lips. Example, the children were talking too much in class. So the teacher told them to put their finger on the lips. So finger on the lips. Next part of the body is nail. N-A-I-L. A nail is a hard part of the body at the tip of the fingers. Now, do you see some colored part at the tip of my fingers? These are my nails. A nail is the hard part. Now, these nails are comparatively hard than the rest of the parts of the body. A nail is a hard part at the tip of my fingers and my toes. So that means my fingers also have nails and my toes also have nails. And there are mostly 10 nails in every one. 10 as in 10 on the fingers, 10 on the toes. Example, she has put red color nail polish on her nails. So can I say I have put a brown color nail polish on my nails?